As of August 2024, there were 78 government agencies have participated in the Bagong Pilipinas Servicio Fair.
Honest BPSL Kutuan, Honorable
Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Maraming salamat sa ating butihing Speaker ng House of Representatives, Speaker Martin Romualdez, former President and Deputy Speaker Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
12 billion pesos in different services and almost 5 billion pesos in cash assistance was provided to more than 2 million beneficiaries in 21 different provinces and cities. Mabuhay ang Bagong Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Pangulong Marcos.